Namaste, welcome to Let's Yoga with Kritika. Why most of the ladies suffer from uterine fibroids? This is basically common among many ladies who are not focusing on themselves. अगर आप खुद पे थोड़ा 1 घंटा टाइम दे दो रोज, योगा, एक्सरसाइज, try to do some activity which will actually heal your body. That will give you the result. So this is where I am here to show you few asanas which will actually help you to heal your body. And not only asanas, at the end of the video I'm going to tell you few tips which you have to remember and you have to follow to get rid of these fibroids. And also you can prevent from getting these fibroids. Okay, so let's start with the session. The first asana is called as a Baddha Konasana. Now when you do the Baddha Konasana, before doing it, just bring your legs together and interlock your fingers, hold your toes back straight. Just try to contract your uterine muscles like this, contract and release, contract and release. This is called as a Mula Bandha. Just try to feel the uterine muscle, the contraction and the relaxation. Okay, just feel your uterine muscles. This is actually the internal exercise which you do for the uterine, okay, for actually the pelvic muscles, right? So this will help you to improve blood circulation in that area, and that's how you will heal your body, okay, and get rid of these fibroids. Yeah, so let's start with the butterfly pose. So you just have to flap your thighs. Try to flap, up and down movement, feeling the stretch over your thigh joints, keeping your back straight with a smile. Continue for 1 minute, and then you just have to press your thighs. You can do this along with me, so we can do it together. Just press for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hold the toes again. Let us do this exercise. Inhale up, exhale, go down. Inhale up, slowly as you go down, try to touch your head on the floor, forehead touching the floor. Again, up and down. Keep repeating. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep breathing. You can do this up to 10 times. Keeping a smile. Up and relax. Feel relaxed. Now let us do some stretching, side stretch with this Baddha Konasana. Yeah, so what you can do is take your left hand, place it on your right thigh, okay, and right hand stretched, bend towards the left. Feel the stretch, okay, just to stretch your body, both the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, relax. So the next, let us Malasana. Malasana is very important for the uterine muscles. So for Malasana, what you have to do? Just you have to stand on your toes. Try to balance on your toes. Raise your heels. If you're not able to raise your heels, you can just sit down. Okay, make sure your buttocks are not touching the floor. Okay, not like this. You have to be on your feet. Yeah, you can only hold this like this. If you're able to balance, you can balance on your toes. Back straight. Keep breathing. Hold it for 10 deep breaths. That becomes 1 minute. Yes, you can count on your own. And once you're done, you can just relax. If you're not able to balance, you can keep a block below your hips. Okay? So you can just keep a block, or you can keep a pillow. You can sit on the pillow and balance. Yeah, Mandukasana. Let us do the Mandukasana. So frog pose is very important for the uterine muscles. Now in this also, try to contract your uterine muscle, contract and release your uterine muscle inside. Yeah, so feel the contraction, relaxation inside. Yeah, so you have to sit in Vajrasana. Okay, पहले वज्रासना में बैठना है, बैक को स्ट्रेट रखना है, ठीक है? Keep your back straight, posture should be correct. Yeah, don't spread your knees should be close to each other. And now make a fist, hands making fist in front of your navel, keeping back straight. Expand your chest, inhale, and as you exhale, go down, go down. So many people, what they do, they raise their hips like this and touch the head on the floor. That is absolutely wrong. Don't do this. Instead of this, you have to do this way. The correct posture is this way. You just have to go down. If you're not able to touch the head on the floor, it's okay, absolutely fine. But don't raise your hips. Feel the contraction. And if you're able to further go down, you can go down. Try to hold this again for 10 to 12 deep breaths. Keeping a smile. Again, come on. Yes? Let us do the next asana now, that is called as a Chakki Chalasana. Okay, so for the Chakki Chalasana, you have to spread your legs. पैरों को spread करना है, हाथों को lock करना है. Interlock your fingers and let's go. Let us move from the left to right. Clockwise, 1, 2, try to go further down. 3, then go a little back. 4, 5, 6. This will help stretch your uterine muscle. 7, 8, massages the pelvic area. 9 and 10. Same way anti-clockwise. Let us relax in the Viparita Karni. Viparita Karni means the legs on the wall. So I will show you. So for this, you have to first touch your hips on the wall. Okay, and hands touching the floor. Raise your legs up. Yes, try to touch your hips on the wall. Raise your legs and relax. Now once you're relaxed, you can just practice the butterfly pose. In this position, stretch your pelvic area and just press your thighs. Again in this position, try to move your uterine muscle, contract and release. Pelvic muscles should be contracted and relaxed. According to my research, I have seen major results, major improvement in people who have homemade foods rather than junks. So try to avoid junk foods, packaged foods, try to avoid too much of oily, spicy foods. Yes, if you are having fibroids, then please have potassium intake. Potassium intake as in having green vegetables, having fruits, veggies. You can have vegetable soup, you can have fruit juices, but make sure you prepare it at home and have. Yes, this is how you have to take care of your health. Make sure to avoid all the white products. Yes, all the white products like sugar, maida, even gehu ka atta you can have, but that's moderate. You can have in a moderate quantity. Rice, white rice, instead of that you can prefer brown rice. Yes, so make sure to follow these and keep yourself hydrated. That is a very important point which I want to tell you. Last but not the least, you have to stay happy, stay motivated, positive and enjoy your life. Okay, thank you so much. Keep watching Let's Yoga with Kritika. Do like, share, subscribe. My name is Kritika Bhilare, the Yoga Wellness Coach, only and only for you. Thank you.